Okay, let's get the sticky tape off. Wow, look at this Polly Pocket theme park set. It looks so big. Hi guys, welcome back to V-Tunnel. Today we're going to unbox this Polly Pocket theme park. It looks so big compared to the regular one. Whoa! Also, it has 4 pop-out play areas. It has swing on a ship, mini golf, trapeze time, and photo fun. Let's get opening. Looks so fun. Okay, let's get the sticky tape off. Whoa, it looks awesome. It's so big. And look at this middle part. There's a cool roller coaster we could play with. It's so cute. We could put 2 people. And also, look at these spinny rides. One of the persons right here already. Also, this spinny ride can open up and close. And also, it also comes with this cotton candy shop. We could put a person behind it and they could sell cotton candy. Looks so cute. Look how cool this area. It has a whale, but we could actually put the ball inside of the whale. But it pops out. Look at this cute break area room. It looks so cool. Look at this kitchen area. It has so many stuff on the table. And, the tables could move around. And also, look at all these food here. A hot dog, popcorn, and ice cream. Look at the top. It has so many things we could play with. Even the photo fun. Also, look at the Ferris wheel. Whoa. And guess what's under here? Whoa! It's so fantastic and awesome. Look at the circus. Whoa! Looks so cool. Even people could sit here. This is how it looks on the outside. And when we open it, all of them pops out. I like this so much because it's so colorful and it has so many things to play with. Also can use this as a backpack. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.